Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial video, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how you can create an ebook on Canva. Now it's pretty simple, and for this tutorial I'm going to be using my very own ebook creation as an example. So this one is the literary folio that I have used to submit in my own organization. It's titled The Gloomy, the Dark, and the Fallen, and you can see right from the beginning I have a cover photo. I have this spot here, which is thank you, and then the writers, and then the forward, the table of contents, and then the contents of the book itself until the very end. So basically, in order to create an ebook on Canva, you just really have to start with the right resolution, which is this one. So for example, if I want to do that the same as that, I can just copy this by going to details, and I can see that this is an A4 size. And to be much more specific, it's 21 centimeters to 29.7 centimeters. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be the same as what I have here. You can create your own. Now, you can just go and search up here ebook if you want to start designing an ebook. So you'll be seeing all of these templates that you can use in creating your ebook. For example, this Journey of Life 1. Now, you might notice that some of this has premium, so you can't really use them, but the Journey of Life one here is actually not. So let's start customizing this one, because I won't be touching this one. So what you just need to do is to start off by maybe either editing your cover, the aesthetics of your book, or starting on the pages. So what you can just click is add page over here, and then you can start writing down the contents of your book. Now let's say you want to change the photo. All you need to do is to delete the photo and then go to elements and choose what kind of photo you want to have here. Let's say it's a nature reserve. Since your story is about nature, you can just go nature reserve and go photos and look at all of the photos that they have here for available. A lot of these photos are, yes, pod Canva Pro. So if you want to access the entire library, then you have to get Canva Pro. If not, there's still a lot of choices to choose from, such as this one. And it's still, if it doesn't line up with the aesthetics, you can always go ahead and click on edit and then start adjusting this, like adjusting its temperature to make it look like that, make it look a bit sweeter, make it a bit greener, something like that. And as you can see, you can actually just manipulate the photo and make it look the way you want it to be. So that's one way. And then of course you have to change the fonts. You just need to click on the font that you have here and then choose the font that you want. For example, this one, and then you can change it for the rest. Add your name up here. I'm not going to be changing much about this. I'm just going to show you the basics. And then after that, then maybe here, if you want to add your table of contents here, a suggestion would be to change the color of the background, which is just here. And if you click the background, you can immediately just choose which one you want it to be, what color you want it to look like, so that you have all the choice that you have. And then to add the text, you just go to text, add a text box, and then put table of contents or what you want to put here. Put white to make it contrast. I mean, it's up to you what color you want to use. The aesthetics are left to you. Another tip would be to use effects to make it a bit more visible. For example, lift here makes it look like it's floating. And then you can just copy this by going to duplicate over here or pressing Control C, then Control V on your keyboard. And then let's say story 1. Make it a bit smaller. Move it a bit to the left. And then on the right is the page number. For example, that's page 2. Stuff like that. Then you can just copy that. Then keep duplicating it. Keep duplicating it. Duplicate. And then basically just do the same for everything else. Story 2. Story 3. So yeah, basically that's how you do it. Just to give you another peek on what I did here on my story, I basically just added more text and then just looked at the entirety of the book. The table of contents part had to be done last. And then I just had to use lots of the apps that are available here as well, such as this one, Text Studio. It's free. And you can use it to add amazing text such as this one, like full timber. If you look here, as you can see, you can use all of these that is not premium and then put it on your design. So yeah, a lot of these photos have been from Canva itself, as well as these elements. And then this is what it looks like. This is what my literary folio looks like, and it looks really wonderful. It's all thanks to Canva. But yeah, that's one way you can create your ebook. And once you're done, you can head over here to share, and then download as PDF or whatever you want it to be. And then you choose where you want to put it. For example, and then this one, this is it. I'm gonna go here. This is the online directory of where I posted it. So this is my ebook now. It looks like this. It looks like a real book, but it's not printed. It's just digital. So it's as simple as that. You just need to compile everything, and you should have something like this. So yeah, I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.